This is Archana K, Assistant Professor in Department of Management Studies in SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss on my lecture series on paired sample t-test in business data analytics. Okay, it's a time for recap. Yes, in last video we have discussed something on independent sample t-test. What is independent sample t-test? We are going to see what is the difference between the two means. Okay, in simple words, is independent sample test is difference between the two means. Okay, now we are having a small case study on effect of new training program on employee performance. Okay, a company that wants to access the effectiveness of new training program designed to improve the performance of its customer service representative CRS. Okay, the company believes that new training program will lead to significant improvement in CRS performance metrics. To evaluate this hypothesis, they decide to conduct a paired sample t-test on sample of customer service representatives. From here itself we have seen paired sample t-test. What is paired sample t-test? Calculating the two means is equal to 0. We are taking two different means and we are analyzing and we are getting the value as 0. Okay, two means should be 0 on paired sample t-test. Here is a small data collection on 20 CSR from their workplace, and before the training program is implemented, they measured and relevant metrics are performance is measured and relevant metrics are recorded. After the training program is completed, the CSR performance is measured again using the same metrics. That is average customer satisfaction rating on the scale 1 to 5, average handling time per customer call in minutes. Okay, with this we are going to see on customer service representatives, whether they are good in their customer satisfaction and customer call. Okay, we are seeing two means values. Paired sample t-test is statistical. As we discussed earlier, two groups are not independent but related or matched in the some way. Yes, customer satisfaction in minutes, their satisfaction and the customer call is, these two means are being taken and they are checking whether there is a difference. Okay, difference in the mean the both means are is 0 or not. And this is the formula for t-test for calculating paired sample t-test. Standard deviation square root of n, and AMD is what? Mean difference. Okay, mean difference, standard deviation and sample size is taken. From the calculation, the significance level on 0.05, customer t is 2.34, where the degrees of freedom is equal to 19. Critical value is 2.086, degrees of freedom is 19. Since the calculated t-test 2.3 is greater than the critical value of 2.086, we reject the null hypothesis. When we are taking two means, we are taking the critical value as 2.086. Okay, that is a fixed value which cannot be changed on testing two-tail test. That is on checking two means. Okay, so as we are rejecting the null hypothesis, here is a small assessment and I have given the answer below. Why? Because any guesses? Just go through on it and check with the answer. Thank you.